Hello, dear students. We will talk about today. We will talk about the concept of physical fitness. In the modern age, a lot of stress is usually laid up down upon games and sports in comparison to yesteryears. Nowadays, every nation wants to enhance its imagination and reputation for the fulfillment of this objective. Every nation sends best players for international level competitions. So, every nation is striving hard to achieve apex position in the field of sports and games. The question before every nation is how to get maximum medals at international level of sports. Owing to this factor, many records are being broken by players, athletes. The standard of sports in every country is showing an increasing trend. But it is a shocking matter of all of us that, in spite of our best endeavors, we are not getting desirable result. Generally, it is concluded after every international level competition that our team was not having enough physical fitness to win the match. So, it has been become necessary to know about physical fitness. Along these lines, it is also significant for us to know wellness and lifestyle changes for leading a healthy life in today's world. So first we will discuss about the meaning and importance of physical fitness. Meaning of physical fitness. Different people have different point of view regarding physical fitness. For a common person to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. For a doctor, the proper functioning of physiological system is physical fitness. In fact, physical fitness is a simple functioning of physiological system in physical fitness. In fact, physical fitness is a simple term with a broad meaning. Physical fitness of a common person means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue or exertion, and after doing his or her work, he or she has power to do some more work with quick recovery. Physical fitness is more than the possession of strength and endurance. It means having the best possible health with the capacity to do one's everyday task, engage in recreational pursuit, and meet emergencies when they arise. As a matter of fact, physical fitness is possessed by that individual who remains enthusiastic, works cheerfully, and does the emergency work with vigor. Physical fitness implies a relation between the task to be performed and the individual's capability to person perform it. In fact, to understand the physical fitness in a better way, it would be more beneficial to go through the following definitions of physical fitness. First, we will discuss about the meaning. As I have already read the paragraph, so now I will explain it that the physical meaning of physical fitness is different in person to person. um, the point of view is different regarding physical fitness. Like, if you ask for a common man what is physical fitness, he or she said good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. If you ask for a doctor, so he or she said the proper functioning of physiological systems is physical fitness. What are the physiological systems? Circulatory system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, respiration system, neuromuscular system. So if your systems are working properly, you are physically fit according to doctor. In fact, physical fitness is a simple term with a broad meaning. If you ask to a common man, he said the capacity to do a routine work without any fatigue or exertion is physical fitness for his or her, according to him. And after that, the some power, like, has power to do some more work without any fatigue and after some quick recovery. So it is different to person. Physical fitness is more than a possession of strength and endurance. It is not about the strength and endurance, it is more than that. It means having the best possible health with the capacity of one's everyday work, everyday task, and whatever it will engage in the recreation pursued in meeting emergencies if the emergencies arise. So this is called physical fitness. As a matter of fact, physical fitness is possessed by the individual who remains enthusiastic, work cheerfully, and does the emergency work with vigor. If a person is ready to do work anytime, less restless, and enthusiastic, energetic, cheerful, so this is a sign of physical fitness. Physical fitness implies the relation between the task to be performed and between the individual's capability. In fact, physical fitness is beneficial for each one. Now we will discuss some definitions. According to Webster Encyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue, moreover, to participate in playful activities and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency is physical fitness. It is according to Webster Encyclopedia. They trying to say that the ability of a person to do daily routine work without any fatigue, moreover, and also participate in playful activities and still reserve enough energy to meet any emergency is physical fitness. So the cheerful, the playful, the energetic energetic person all the time. So this is called physical fitness. Now, according to Don Hoskin, the human body's ability to move with the desired speed, balance, agility, and strength gained through proper exercise and nutrition. So Don Hoskins trying to say that the human body, the ability of human body to move with desired speed, balance, agility, and strength gained through the proper nutrition and exercise is called physical fitness. Now we will talk about the Crowless. According to Crowless, successful adaptation to the stresses on one's lifestyle is physical fitness. That means if you adapt the lifestyle, stress lifestyle or strenuous lifestyle successfully, it will or you may indulge yourself successfully in stressed lifestyle or encouraging not encouraging or challenging lifestyle. This is called physical fitness according to Crowless. Now we will talk about David R. Lamb. According to him, physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and potential physical challenge of life with success. According to him, he trying to say that the physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present challenges, present potential, and that potential will meet in challenge of life with success. Whatever you are doing, if you gain a success, if you achieve the success, is called physical fitness. In fact, it can be said that physical fitness is the ability to function effectively and efficiently, enjoy leisure, be healthy, resist disease, and cope with the emergency situations. Physical fitness varies according to the nature of work, individual's size, shape of the body, age, and sex. For physical fitness, we require an efficient motor mechanism, efficient organic mechanism, and an efficient mental functioning. A physically fit individual should possess a sufficient reserve of energy to meet the demands of emergencies in which a person is unexpectedly called upon to perform activities demanding unusual expenditure of strength, energy, and adapted ability under unfavorable environment. So in short, physical fitness is the ability of a person to do a work efficiently or effectively. First point. And also a person is enjoying a leisure time, healthy, they will be healthy also and free from any diseases. And if the emergency situation arise, he is ready to cope with that situation. Physical fitness varies according to the nature of the work, individual size, individual shape of the body, age, and sex. So physical fitness is depend upon the work, size, shape, and age and sex. Physical fitness requires an efficient motor mechanism. Now physical fitness require some parameters, some objective, that is motor mechanism, efficient organic mechanism, and efficient mental functioning. So these are the three parameters which physical fitness requires. So if a person is having efficient motor mechanism, efficient organic mechanism, and an efficient mental functioning, the person will be physically fit. A physically fit individual should possess a sufficient reserve of, they will reserve the energy for the emergencies, for the demand of emergency, in which a person is unexpectedly called upon to perform activities demanding unusual expenditure of strength, expenditure of strength, energy, and adapted ability under unfavorable environment. So, physical education is the ability to do work efficiently in present situation and ready for the future challenges with success. So this is all about physical fitness. Now we will talk about the importance of physical fitness. Physical fitness are rarely significant for leading a happy and well balanced life. They are necessary for reducing the risk of heart and lungs diseases. Physically fit individuals tend to have lower resting blood pressure. Everyone wants to maintain one's physical fitness to perform the routine work easily. That is why it is said that physical fitness adds years to one's life. Many people are under the impression that physical fitness is necessary only for the sports person because they participate in vigorous sports activities or vigorous activities of sports and games. They are not aware of the fact that physical fitness and wellness are necessary for a common person. Although physical fitness varies according to the task to be performed, a certain level of physical fitness is necessary for a common man too. Physical fitness is important for daily activities like walking, running, lifting, and carrying weight. Physical fitness also improves posture and appearance. Physical fitness changes our lifestyle or way of life. If we want to lead a healthy life, it is necessary to be physically fit. Doctors indicate that physical fitness maintains muscular tissue, decreases the risk of injuries, and reduces lower back pain. They also assert that muscular problems usually arise due to lack of physical fitness. By being physically fit, we may remain active. Research studies in the field of physical fitness indicate that the children who include physical fitness in early life are likely to remain active in future. Physical fitness plays a key role in improving the mental ability of an individual. These tend to enhance productivity and quality at work. In fact, the complete efficiency level of an individual is enhanced. Physical fitness, physically fit person can manage stress easily, efficiently, and effectively because such person has positive attitude towards stress. He or she considered stress as a force for motivation. Research studies shows that physically fit person used to stress advantageously. Such person can combat stress due to better health status. They are more resistant to the effects of stress than physically less fit individual. Owing to physical fitness, a person feels better and looks better. As a matter of fact, physical fitness programs helps to enjoy a healthy mind and a healthy body, which ultimately boosts and enhances self confidence of an individual. It has also been observed that physical fit individuals are more capable to meet challenges of life. Several studies have proven that physical fitness increases the resistance power against fitness is helpful resistance power against diseases, which finally increases the life expectancy. That is why it is said that physical fitness is helpful in postponing the aging process. So, it can be concluded that physical fitness are necessary for everyone in every walk of life. The level of being physically fit may vary from a common man to an international athlete. So, more and more stress should be laid on the physical fitness of individuals. We should never forget that the Battle of Waterloo was won at the playfield of Eton. Only the physical fitness of people can make a nation strong. Swami Vivekananda also said that today we do not need Bhagavad Gita but football field. In fact, he laid stress on physical fitness as well as the wellness of citizens so that they could hold up the nation's honor and prestige. So these are the importance of physical fitness, in which we can say that the healthy life, a happy life, and well balanced life is important, is significant. It is necessary for reducing the heart risk, heart diseases, lung diseases, and only a physical fitness person is having a low blood pressure. He is fit. Everyone wants to maintain his physical fitness. Everyone wants to wants to live physical fit life, and everyone wants to do his routine work efficiently, or perform his routine work efficiently and effectively. So that is why physical fitness adds the years in our life. That's why it can be said that the physical fitness adds the years in one's life, because it will increase the aging process. Physical fitness is necessary not only for the sports person, it is also necessary for the common man also. Many people think that physical fitness is also need for the sports person, because they want to increase their performance in games and sports, and they want to participate in vigorous activities, so that they need physical fitness. No, physical fitness is necessary for common person, although physical fitness is like is different from individual to individual according to task, but for common day to day life physical fitness is required, like walking, running, lifting, carrying weight. So we need physical fitness. If we don't have physical fitness, we will not able to do our daily routine work. So physical fitness is varies from person to person, from activity to activity, but it is necessary. It is an important part in everyone's life. Physical fitness also changes the person's life, the way of thinking, the way of living life. And if a person wants to live healthy life, it is necessary to have physical fitness. Doctors also indicated that the physical fitness maintains the muscular tissue, diseases, decreases the risk of injuries, and also reduces the back pains. So they also resolve muscular problems, and usually like arises due to the lack of physical fitness. So if a person is physically fit, so they will also reduce decreases the muscular problem. Physical fitness is all about the remain active. Some research study also showed that the physical fitness in children who are physically fit in early life are likely to remain active life in future. That research study shows that if a child is leading an active life and he is enjoying the active life, so he or she will remain in future also. Physical fitness is also improving the mental ability of an individual. It enhances the productivity and quality of a work. If the person is physically fit, so their quality of work will also enhance. So the complete efficiency level of an individual is also enhanced. And moreover, the physically fit person is maintain or manage the stress easily, to cope up with stress easily and efficiently and effectively, because such person has a positive attitude towards stress. That's why they can manage the stress, they can cope up efficiently and effectively. He or she considered a stress as a force of motivation. Physically fit person used to stress advantageously. They will take it as an advantage, it as a motivation. Such person can can combat stress due to better health. They will cope up with the stress due to better health. So in short, physical fitness is very important in everyone's life, and it will give a good citizen. So physical fitness is necessary for everyone's life in every walk of life. The level of being fit, physically fit, is led on physical fitness of an individual. We should never forget that the Battle of Waterloo was won at the playfield of Eton. And also Swami Vivekananda also quote that today's we do not need Bhagavad Gita but football, because he also led stress on physical fitness and wellness. And our society needs physically fit and well person of our citizen as our citizens, so that they could hold up the nation's honor and prestige. So this is all about the concept of physical fitness in the field of physical education. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.